Diyan, dito sa plants.
Because these are plants.
Doon sa roots nga. Dito sa roots. Dito. Macy, dito ikaw. Doon sa katabi ni ate. Na roots. Na okra. Doon sa another okra. Ayan, mayroon palang. Ay, bibi, may maliit na kalabasa. Ayun, Ayan, dalawa na yung nakita natin maliit na kalabasa.
Wow.
Ayan.
And what is that, Ma?
That's the maliit kalabasa. Continue na,
No,
dilig.
what is that on the leaves?
That's an insect?
No, it's a spiky one.
Okay. Dinipaan ako dun. Yan, diyan. Sa kalabasa, dilig.
Huh?
Ay ko, oo.
That?
Oo.
We're gonna plant some okras, Ma.
Not plant, we're going to water them. You water na. That is not okra, that's squash. Kalabasa. Squash, kalabasa is good for your
Eyes.
eyes. Very good. And health. Lagyan mo dun. Yun pa, isa yun. Ay.